Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 105 of Building the Ecto-1. This is the final door issue. This is the final door, the rear one. So we're going to make up the interior of it first. Nice and easy. We've got the door release catch. It goes in the center there. Has a little tag on it, so it will only go in properly one way round. Feels like it's that way round. So that is being held in place with an EP screw, rather. We've got the other bit that goes across the top there with a couple of screws and these decorative silvery pieces which go on there. So that's all stuff to do behind the scenes. Then when we come to fit that and this to the car, I shall come back and show you how that goes together, and then we'll see about getting this attached to the body itself. See you in just a sec. Right, there we go. That's that all attached. The strips in, the door release there, and that top bit fitted. So these are what holds that window in place. Once that goes in there, this bit goes across the top, bit like that, and that goes across the bottom, just like that, and they will both act to hold that window secure. So we've got the two screws on the bottom. Yeah, just two. That's interesting. Two screws at the bottom and two screws at the top to hold those together. I have also dug out the switch, which is the door opening switch, which is what the HM screws are for. That needs to fit onto the door, and then the hinge needs to fit over that bit, obviously on the door itself. So let me get this together and then see what I can show you about the chassis coming together. So I'll see you in just a sec. Right, let's see how this is going to work. The interior is all fitted. The window is now nice and secure. I have prepared the next stage because it involves the hugeness of the entire vehicle, which is massive and heavy and difficult to maneuver. I've put the screw in to hold the switch in place there. So then the door needs to go over here like that. That catch will, yeah, just about install onto there. Then we've got this bracket that goes over that hinge down there like that, and the two screws hold that together. I can't do that from this angle because, you know, it's just crazy, but that's how the door will work. That should pop open. Something might not be quite right with that, or it might just be like, yeah, there we go. So that's how the door will hinge open at the back, allowing the on packs and things to come out like that. So I shall get these screwed together, make sure that door clips properly where it should. I think it's just where it's not quite right at the moment. But that is that, and that's another issue done. Join me next time when we've got the quick build issue, where we're starting on the final rear wing, and we'll have a look through the magazine then as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.